What's up guys? Today I'm going to work inside my garage. Michael took his toolbox, so this side have now much more space. Last time it will be that toolbox, the black one down there will be over here, and to open the door will be messed up, and this the blower, snow blowers around here, and it's blocking everything. Too much stuff down here I have. So Michael toolbox, just if you remember the silvers down here, silver toolbox and two reds down there. So I'm going to take my toolbox, both of them. I'm going to bring it down around here. I don't know where I'm going to put it both of them, and this one put it around here too. So I'm planning to paint the floor, and the floor has cracks, so I need to seal it first to do that. Today my plan is to take the whole stuff out from this room and put it inside this garage. So I'm going to take the Subaru out, and then I'm not planning to paint this garage, this room or garage, what you call it. For now I'm going to leave it like this, but my plan is this one, to do it. I have too many stuffs. This gearbox, it is for a Toyota Prius. This one's for Corvette 06 Michael car. So I have some organizer box, so I'm going to put it here. It's better than this one. This one, if the water touch something, will be damaged. So this one doesn't damage, so that's good thing. So I'll have videos for this. I'm going to change oil, and then I'm planning to say it's junk, it's too big. So I'm going to tell this one. So it has started. I have some stuffs. This one's for my Subaru BRZ. This one my first car, Dodge Avenger. This one for the Ford 250. This one is the hard bearing, the whole stuff, the whole kit. I replace it, but I don't need to, but I already get it, so I just replace it. I'll keep it. This one's not damaged. I thought it was. That is for the 2012 Toyota Camry. So let us remove this one. I'm going to throw away this cardboards. So I need to take the Subaru out. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and then like and subscribe. Let us hear cold start. Let me open the door first. Cold start. Okay guys, so I just take the tools, all stuff from this room, and I put it in the garage, this room, what you call it. So now I'm going to fill the cracks. I just clean a little bit, but later on, after I finish the crack sealing, after 1 day, 2 days later, I'm going to clean it by water. I'm going to use some chemicals to remove some of the grease, otherwise the paint will not stick there. And then I'm going to take this concrete off and make it label. This one's not labeled, so I'm going to take that one off. Just I want to give you some updates before I start the crack. For the crack, I'll put the link down below. I'm going to use some concrete crack sealer. So I hope you enjoy this video, and like and subscribe. What's up, guys? This is the next day, so I didn't record yesterday, so I finished this one. Now it's left to put the concrete. Hopefully if I have the concrete, if not it's dried, and the crack I'm going to finish today. Yesterday I was doing over there, it's coming together, but some of them they're going inside it more. That's good, but today I'm going to fill more. Going over there, there is over here a crack, so now I'm going to do this side, and then there is a small down here. I'm going to do it over here, and then after I finished I'm going to do it that one, the bigger one. So after the finish the crack, fill it, I'm going to wait 2 days to dry, and yeah, after that, after 2 days I'm going to wash the floor, and then it need to be dry. Maybe 1 day I'll wait, and after that will be the paint. So that part, the floor washing and the paint, will be part 2, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. Okay guys, I finished pouring the concrete and finished the crack. Here it is. I just smoothed it out. It's good for now. It's good, it's not that much worse I did. And the cracks, I need to fix it. There's it's getting inside, that's good news. There's 3 places going inside, this one and over there too. All looks good. I finished everything, and I fixed it around here. Some issues, not right. Maybe later on I'm going to grind it. And then this 3-2 of going inside. Yesterday I filled it down over here, and then on the morning I filled it again, and then now I fill it again, and then it's going inside. So there is a big crack down there. So fill it there, all done. So part 2, I'm going to wash it. There's a grease maybe around there, so I'm using some chemicals. I have that. Long time ago I did buy that. I was planning to paint it, but I didn't do that. So now I'm going to do that. Next video will be there after 2 or 3 days. First, this concrete and this crack need to dry, otherwise I can't do anything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 2. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.